Hello and welcome to Paper Cut Crafts. We are making a cracker box. You need a 5.5 by 6 inch piece of cardstock. We are scoring the 6-inch line at 1 1/4 from both edges. Then flip it to the 5.5 side and score that at 1 1/4, 2 1/2, 3 3/4, and 5 inches. Now on the 6-inch side, you're punching with our envelope punch board at 1 1/4. Slide that over to 4 and 3/4. This punch needs to be on that 1 1/4 score mark that was on the 6-inch side. Your punch from the envelope punch board will have that score mark right down the center. Then you go ahead and punch, just as you see I'm doing here. The next one, you're going to fold along that score mark so that you are punching through 2 pieces of cardstock, the folded piece. It's very hard to do, but it can be done. You need lots of force. If it's hard on your wrist, you may not want to do it with a cardstock. You can also do this with thinner pieces of paper. And you're going to follow that all the way down until you get to the very last fold. You'll have that little tab piece. Go ahead and fold that and also punch through it just like you did the rest of them so it looks like mine. Once you get this done, you're going to be lining it all up together and attaching this tab to the inside of your box to create that box effect. I like using my tear tape since tear tape is nice and strong. Once you got that all taped down and nice and done up, we're going to squish in the edges on top and bottom. Just do the sides first, it's easier. And you're going to make this little X on the back or side, and this will be a little decorative piece on the edge there. And you're going to squish it together. You're going to use some twine to hold that edge together, and you just wrap it around. You're going to do this on both sides of your nice little cracker box here. And once you close this up, don't forget to put your little treat in before you close up both sides, otherwise you're going to have to open it back up again. So there's your cracker box, very simple. I'm going to add some music so you can see the last little bit of how I decorate this. You may decorate it how you wish. I used my stitched edge dies. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more, and enjoy the rest of the video.